Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to limit Wi-Fi speed for others on TP-Link router. In order to limit Wi-Fi speed for others on your TP-Link router, you'll need to follow these steps. First thing, you'll need to access the router's web interface. Navigate to bandwidth control or speed limit settings and configure the rules for the specific device you want to restrict. As you do it then you simply want to go ahead and look for the option like bandwidth control, speed limit, or client settings within the router's web interface. And some routers might have a different terminology for these settings, so explore the available options as well. After which, what you have to do is go to the client or connected devices settings or section to see all devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi network. And then you need to identify the specific device that you want to limit. After which, for each device, locate the options to enable a speed limit or set a custom bandwidth. And once you do it you'll likely be able to set both download and upload speed limit individually. You could choose to set a specific number for speed limit or select unlimited for one or both. And after configure the speed limit, save the changes, and that's how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.